test is starting. I'm sharing the screen, share content. Now I'm going to Google Chrome.
Hope's where the heart is. Hope you get there soon.
And now I'm opening create.it, create.kahoot.it. Now I have already made a test of rules of debit and credit. I'm clicking on that, rules of debit and credit. Now I'm clicking the play button, then teach.
Code.
Now I will click on classic. It is a free version. Now ready to join. This is the game pin. We use another device for writing this game pin. 595538. Raghav has joined. Join from your name only. Don't join with such kind of nicknames which I'm not able to recognize.
है
Yes.
मैम टाइटल में क्या डालना है
In game pin. What are you asking? What are you asking? Ask again.
मैम इसमें मेरा क्रिएटर कहूट के बाद टाइटल आ रहा है टाइटल में क्या डालना है
No, no. You need
पिन
not
एंटर करना है
You
एंटर
not-
पिन आएगा ना सेंटर में
आपको वैसे नहीं जाना है जैसे मैं जा रही हूँ. That was the move for me, teacher.
वो kahoot.it
Go
पे
to simply kahoot.it. You will open Google in another device and then you will be typing kahoot.it.
मैम आ गया होगा
And then you will enter the game pin. Then you will enter your name. Fine. Who is that student?
यस मैम
Disha? Disha,
Yes,
आपके?
यस
Now fine, Disha?
यस
Okay.
यस मैम
22 players have joined. Anyone who is left? 26, 25 players are there. 3 are
Ma'am?
still left.
मैम एक अविरल के नाम से आया है मैम उसको हटा दो मैंने लैपटॉप से करा था वो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ अब मेरा अविरल सिंगल के नाम से है
This Aviral 11th B, I should expel this?
ए मैम गेम में कह रहा हूँ मैम मैं
हाँ, इसको expel कर दूं?
नो मैम रहने दो
रहने दूं? Okay. Okay, one student has left, I think. All of you have joined? All of you have entered the game? Should I start?
यस
Aviral are two Aviral are there. So 25 participants are there. One is still left. Yes, Chahat has come now. I was thinking so. Now everyone has come. Okay.
Ma'am, please wait a second.
Yes. Speak loudly or either type in the chat box.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Please wait for me. Okay, I'm waiting. First question coming on your screen. Question number 1. Sales account is a revenue account, liability account, capital, or none of these. 20 seconds left. I have received 22 answers. सेल्स रेवेन्यू है, लायबिलिटी है, कैपिटल है या नन है? Okay, so I have got some incorrect answers also. That's surprising. Sales are always our revenue. Sales cannot be a liability. Sales cannot be capital. So sales are our revenue. Sales are income, right? Looking at the scoreboard. So we have Raghav on top, then Manya, then Pranav, Satvik and Harsh. Okay, good. So ready for the next question? Question number 2 coming on your screen. Outstanding salary is a real account, personal account, nominal account or none of these? Okay, time is up. Outstanding salary is a personal account. Salary is an expense, and if only the word salary is coming, then it is a nominal account. But because the word outstanding has been attached with salary, that means it is representing that person whose salary is still due. So we will say it as a personal account. It cannot be real. Real accounts are assets. Personal are human beings accounts or artificial person's account, and personal accounts are if outstanding is there or prepaid is there. Then nominal accounts relates to our expenses and revenue. So you must be clear about this. Okay. Make sure that you are getting the concept clear in your hand. You can even ask for the clarification at this time when I'm explaining. Now look at the scoreboard. Manya is on top. Then Dhruv, Himanshi and Aviral. Okay, very good. So I'm getting to know my students. Now ready for the next question. Next question coming on your screen. Goodwill account is a personal account, real account, nominal account or none of these. Raghav has typed that by mistake. He has typed the wrong answer. I don't know about I won't reveal about the correct answer now. But if you have ticked the wrong answer by mistake, we cannot rectify it now. There is no option in this. Okay, so the correct answer is real account. Goodwill is an asset and assets go into real account. So it cannot be personal, it cannot be nominal, and it cannot be none also because it will be either personal, real or nominal. Raghav has typed the right answer now in the chat box, but I would say that no student, please don't type answer in the chat box now because as of now the test is going on. I know you answered when 0 seconds were left. And the only thing I can say to you, Raghav, is अभी जोश में होश ना को बैठे अपने that I want to give the answer at the earliest, so I'm just clicking anything which is coming in my head. जोश में
मैम
होश
वो
ना को.
स्क्रीन टाइम आउट हो रहा था तो उस पे क्लिक करा तो फिर ऑप्शन आ गए थे, फिर नन ऑफ दिस क्लिक हो गया।
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आपको पोडियम में फर्स्ट रैंक दे दिया जाएगा. डोंट बी वरी अबाउट दैट. कोई बात नहीं राघव, डोंट लूज होप. इस वजह से अब आगे के क्वेश्चंस को लूज मत कर देना, ठीक है? कीप योर माइंड पॉजिटिव, फॉरगेट अबाउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. नाउ बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट. ओके ओके, गुड. That's the spirit. Next question coming on your screen. So now the scoreboard is coming. Manya, Dhruv, Disha, Himanshi, and Aviral. Okay. Now next question. Best of luck to you, Raghav, and best of luck to all the other students. Next question coming on your screen. Sale of goods to Ram for cash is debited to. Frame the journal entry in your mind and then just click the answer which account should be debited. Harialji is running and it is 25 seconds left. Okay, so 9 students have given the incorrect answer also. The transaction is sale of goods to Ram for cash. What will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be simply cash account debited to sales account. So cash account is debited. Okay. Now look at the scoreboard. From below on top.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes.
मैम मेरा बीच में नेट कनेक्शन चला गया, मेरा तो आंसर ही नहीं हो पाया ये।
That's very unfortunate, but I cannot help you in this. I cannot help you out in this because this is an online test going on for everyone. But anyhow, I'll consider this thing, I'll keep this in mind. Now it has come. Now internet is there. Okay, so I'm starting with the next question. Be ready for the next question. Next question on your screen. Debit means an increase in asset, an increase in liability, an increase in proprietor's equity, a decrease in asset. Only 25 seconds left. Time is about to get over. Okay, very good. So according to the rules of debit and credit, if an asset is increasing, that means we will debit it. So debit means it is not applicable to all the other alternatives available. So first option is the answer. The students who have not given the answer correctly, make sure that you are clearing your concepts. Debit है asset में
Ma'am, I want to ask.
expense में increase, right? Now look at the school.
No one to.
I think some student wants to speak something. Ayush has
Ma'am,
typed. Yes.
ma'am, if we are paying money to creditors, that will be not considered as increase in asset.
If we are paying money to creditors, that is decrease in asset because cash is decreasing.
मैम पर वो तो डेबिट हो गया ना जो हमने क्रेडिटर को करा है.
जो हमने क्रेडिटर को करा है वो डेबिट हो गया.
ओके मैम.
देखो डेबिट का मीनिंग क्या है. डेबिट का मीनिंग है जब भी असेट्स और एक्सपेंसेस इंक्रीज होंगे दैट विल बी डेबिटेड and when assets and expenses will be decreasing in that case it will be credited. And if revenues, liabilities and capital they will increase then it will be credit and if they will decrease that will be debit. जो बाकी के तीनों ऑप्शंस थे उन तीनों ऑप्शंस में उन्हें डेबिट नहीं किया जा सकता था. So first option was the answer. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Be ready for the next question. Which of the following accounts has a credit balance? इनमें से किसका क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है? Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So all other things are expenses and losses. So they have debit balance. Only discount received is a gain for us. So that has credit balance. Yes.
मेरा तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया.
You need
मेरी
to check
स्क्रीन
your
अटक गई.
internet connections, beta. You need to check internet connections at your end. Even if the question did not appear, that is why I am reading out the questions for you and the options because some students are facing the problem of bandwidth. That is why I am reading the questions for those students. Okay, now we have Disha on top. Dhruv, Aviral, Manya and Subhanshi. And 3 players have reached answers 3. Okay. Very good. So ready for the next question? Next question coming on your screen. Question number 7 I am reading. Nominal accounts are related to option A, assets and liabilities, option B, expenses and revenues, option C, debtors and creditors, option D, none of these. If the question is not coming on your screen, because of internet, you can ask me.
Please repeat the question.
Nominal accounts are related to option A, assets and liabilities, option B,
मैम आ गया.
expenses
मैम
and
आ गया.
okay. Okay, so nominal accounts are always related to expenses and losses and revenues and profits and gains. So option B is the correct option. Let us look at the score. Scores are saying Disha is on top, then Dhruv, Aviral, Manya and Subhanshi. up by 5 places. Kashish is the highest climber.
मैम एक सेकंड रुक जाना क्वेश्चन से पहले एक सेकंड मैम
Okay. If even if you are not coming in the top 5, don't lose heart because your answer must be correct. That is the thing which is required in our subject. Otherwise,
मैम स्टार्ट
even
कर
if
दो
you are not giving it at the fastest speed, that is all right. That is no problem. But you should be clear with the concept. Your answer must not be wrong.
मैम स्टार्ट कर दो हो गया
Yeah, okay. Now the next question coming on your screen. Question number 8. An increase in which of the following account will be recorded on the debit side? इनमें से कौन से अकाउंट में अगर इंक्रीज होता है तो वो डेबिट साइड में रिकॉर्ड होगा? ऑप्शन ए बिल्डिंग अकाउंट, ऑप्शन बी कैपिटल अकाउंट, ऑप्शन सी बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट, ऑप्शन डी रेंट रिसीव्ड अकाउंट. Okay, so the correct answer is building account. Building is an asset. Other accounts are capital is capital and bills payable are liabilities and rent received is an income. So if these accounts are increasing, they will be credited. But only building account is an asset, and if asset increase, then we record it in the debit side. That is why the correct answer is building account. Divya is asking why not capital. Divya, we discussed in the class a trick called clear. In the clear, assets and expenses are there. If assets and expenses increase, debit. If assets and expenses decrease, credit. And if capital, in the word clear, capital, liabilities and revenues, if they increase, then credit. And if they decrease, debit. That is the rule. Rules of debit and credit. Now moving on to the scoreboard. We have Dhruv on top, Disha. I'm moving on to the next question because meeting is about to end in just 5 minutes. Next question coming on your screen. 9th question. Withdrawal of cash from business by the proprietor is credited to. Frame the journal entry in your mind. Withdrawal of cash की journal entry क्या बनेगी और उसमें कौन सा account credit होगा? Okay, so I'm going to the scoreboard. The correct answer will be cash account because journal entry will be drawings account debited to cash account. I'm going to the 10th question before the meeting ends. Last question coming on your screen. Answer it quickly. Sundry creditors account is option A revenue account, option B capital account, option C liability account, and option D none of these. Quickly answer. We have less time with us. Yes, it is a very simple question. Sundry creditors कौन से होते हैं? Revenue होता है, capital होता है, liabilities और none. Yes, so the correct answer is liability account. I'm going to the podium before it ends. The meeting ends. Yes, we have the podium, and Dhruv is on third. Congratulations, Dhruv. On second, we have Aviral. Very good, Aviral. And on first position, we have Isha. Congratulations to all the winners. And the runners-ups are Manya and Himanshi. Now I'm going to the score of all the students.
मैम
Yes,
मैम वो लास्ट वाले में रिवेन्यू अकाउंट नहीं होना चाहिए था
sundry creditors revenue होता है. अरे बाबा, sundry creditors liability होते हैं, creditors हमारे. Sundry creditors liability होते हैं मेरे बेटे. Look at your score, everyone. Disha has got 100% score. 100% score है दिशा का. And now I will show it for the other students also.
मैम जनरल में भी हमें वो बताना, वो आएगी ना, एंट्री फॉर्म करने के लिए आएगी ना.
MCQs.
एमसीक्यूज में.
Pranav, I will just explain and just take a record of the all the students score because I need to make a list.